Hello, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow traders. Welcome back to yet another day of day trading. If you're just joining us, we've had a tough stretch this week. The last 2 days were back-to-back losses, with hitting my maximum daily loss limit for the day. Before I walk away, it is very important on your trading journey, when you have risk management that is sustainable, that you have daily loss limit. So my daily loss limit was 300 for high risk days, and so the last 2 days, yesterday and 2 days before on Tuesday, I hit my daily loss limit. So obviously trying to recoup my losses back. Today was a super volatile day. I had like 11 trades. I'm not going to show all of them. I'm only going to show some key ones. And out of those 11, there were 2 break-evens, 3 losses, and 6 gains. Okay? So I'm only going to show 5 of these trades because these are the trades that are the most important. So I'm going to start with Dow Jones. So went in on Dow Jones with a Renko plus oscillator indicator. They came out together, and I was able to get a gain of 20 ticks for TP1 plus 10 ticks for a stop loss profit target. Take a look. And then I went in on Dow again. This was also for a short, but this was just a Renko indicator. And it was a fairly long trade. I think it was almost like an hour, I believe. But this one had to be done in a certain way to mitigate risk. So I ended up with a net gain of 80 ticks. Check it out. And then I went in on Nasdaq, and it was for a long with a Renko indicator. I did this at the same time with the Dow that I was having. Wasn't quite going the right way, so I usually do this to hedge my risk. So because I'm trading multiple commodities, it helps where one is going in a certain direction and the other one is going in a different direction. They're both indices, so they both tend to move in the same direction for the most part. And so what I do to hedge is that when one is going a certain way and it's not quite working out, and the other one brings out another indicator going the opposite way, I go in on that as well, so that worst case, I reduce my losses, and best case, I make good money. So this ended up as a loss. Take a look. And then the next trade I'm going to show is with Nasdaq, and this was on a long on a trend line, and I was able to get a gain of 40 ticks, which is 10 points, plus a trailing stop loss gain of 20 ticks, which is 5 points. Take a look. And then the final trade I'm going to show, it was also with Nasdaq, and it was for a short on a Renko indicator, and I was able to get a gain of 40 ticks on TP1, which is 10 points, and then I was able to get 120 ticks, which is 30 points for a stop loss trailing gain. Check it out. And then here's my balance. Thankful I was able to make some good money today. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to recoup all my losses from the last 2 days, but this is a good start. Hopefully tomorrow also goes well. Again, guys, if you want to learn how to do this, there is a methodology that is required to be able to sustain an account and to be able to grow your balance no matter what the market condition is. So it's not all about just the trading style. You have to have good risk management and you have to be able to execute consistently with discipline. So if you want to learn and hone that particular type of skill, Apex is the best way, okay? They always offer promos. I think the promo is pretty much done tonight. I'm not sure how long it's going to be, but I think it ends at either 11:59 p.m. tonight or at some other time earlier than that. But either way, it's 90% right now, and it's probably going to be another good promo coming out next. Please get your account. Start learning to trade. If you are even remotely interested, it will change the trajectory of your financial future when you hone your skill. This is the most affordable way to do it. Right now, it's only $16. $16, that's it, right? And it might be a little higher for other promos, but you want to get in right now because this is the sweet spot on how to make it work, okay? So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we end up strong. Have a great day. God bless. Take care.